Hey guys, welcome to j&jautowrecking's test video for L3HU309. This is one of our favorites, a 2003 Hummer H2. Unit comes to us in a nice crimson red color. It was actually a mechanical. It does not hit anywhere. It just has a bad transmission. The 4L65E has many neutrals. Put the hood down here in just a second and we'll show it off. I've just got to have the jump box on it here. Very, very nice truck though. Not rust free, but very minimal rust. Nice OEM side steps. This does not have the rock rails. It has the accessory side steps. We're going to pull all four of those off and get them powder coated satin black to match the OEM finish. Door panels are in above average to very good condition, just depending on which one we're looking at here. No busted mat. Oh, we're going to go ahead and repair that. That is what kills them all, and we know what we're doing. The mat pockets. Let's take a look at the passenger here. A little bit loose down low. We'll take a look at that and see what's going on. Our one owner, Jimmy, is an expert at fixing these things. Rear gate's got the typical Hummer broken latch shenanigans. Nice bumper end cap still. Wow, the aluminum snapped on these. Cab clearance lights are all there. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up really fast. We'll walk around the motor and then I'll show you guys that loaded hood. Driver one. Now this gauge cluster has been redone with white face gauges and some nice blue LEDs. Very nice, as you guys can see, it is working. 219,957 miles on it. Show off the motor here. Aftermarket exhaust, so you guys can't hear me. She is loud. Sorry guys, just getting the jump box out of the way. Old life support here. Alright, there is that LQ4. We're going to be selling this as a swap. You're going to get the motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, harness, and tack module. Looks like it has some aftermarket wires with some sleeves on them. I'm guessing this guy has burnt a couple of plug wires before. Alright, let me put the hood down here. We are going to be selling this as a loaded hood without the brush guard. If you guys have one of these and you're in a front end collision, you will get the entire hood. We're going to leave the lights, the flares, the straps, the grill, these god-awful aftermarket headlights in it, everything. Literally a walk-off hood so you guys can fix your wreck. All right, let's step inside here so we can hear ourselves think. Not going to do a transmission test because we already know it is no good. Give her some revs. Fire in the hole. All right, very good running, very smooth. Go ahead and let's start testing out window regulators in this girl here. Up and down. Up and down. Don't mind my terrible camera skills. The GoPro 8 does not give me much. Up and down. And up and down. Headlight switch is working well. These are all things that go bad on these. I am amazed at the amount of bad parts on a Hummer. Got those fog lights going. Test the rear wiper. Oh, the rear wiper is good. One more time. Jimmy, if you're watching this at a later date, this wiper tested good. Inside joke there, he'll never see this. Go ahead and test out the climate control assembly here. Goes up to 88 degrees, that magic number, no dead digits. Couple of dead LEDs there, but you guys can obviously replace those. Same deal here with the height control and tow haul buttons. Those are all working well. Four-wheel drive switch is working. Shifter has a good button on it. Obviously no reverse or no drive. Oh, okay. The prowl is busted on this 4L65E.
Just have to tell you the transmission's no good.
We already knew that. We were testing the shifter button. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. Other than that, nice overhead console. This is the non-sunroof design with the home link, but all of these are good. These are normally busted. Let's just open them all. Do Hummer owners have a lot of sunglasses and maybe really care about their appearance? Why on earth do you need 3 sunglasses holders? Uh-oh, there, she's good. Oh man, blue LEDs, wow. This is a good one. Console lid, nice and tight. Little mark right here, but this is a very nice wheat console lid. Cup holder plate is in good condition as well, all seems tight. We literally sell every piece of these Hummers, man. They are just chintzy and everything goes bad on them. Trying to think if there's anything we didn't hit on one of these Hummers, guys. There is just so much to test on one of these. All the lights are working on the outside here. We tested the headlights, transmission's no good. Center diff we can't test, and the front carrier we can't test, but it did move briefly. We drove it for like 10 feet before we discovered all the neutrals. Guys, that's gonna wrap it up for L3HU309, our 2003 Hummer H2 test video with the LQ4 swap. Any of the parts off of this Hummer, guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, www.jandjautowrecking.com. We're kind of known as a Hummer expert, so we have, gosh, I think 30, 35 of them in the yard right now. So if you're looking for something on one of these, give us a call, 800-425-1555. Check out the website. We probably got you covered, guys. Coming up next is a super cool Lincoln Mustang Cobra. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and we're out.